This creamy chicken and rice soup is the perfect cozy meal prep for the week. It's packed with flavor, comes together in one pot, and makes 8 hearty servings. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Oven roasted chicken. I love using this because it adds so much flavor. I actually have a recipe for it in my playlist. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a card in the video here. We're also using a low sodium chicken broth, white rice, butter, shredded carrots, grated onion, which makes it melt right into the soup, and celery. I like to grate the onion instead of chopping it because it blends smoothly into the soup and gives it a really nice depth of flavor. Next, melt 1/2 of a cup of butter in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Then add shredded carrots, grated onion, and celery. Let them cook for about 10 minutes or up to 15, depending on how soft they get, and stir occasionally until they're soft and fragrant. Now we're going to thicken the soup. Add flour, 4 tablespoons of flour, and stir well to coat the vegetables. This helps create a creamy texture without needing heavy cream. Slowly drizzle the chicken broth, stirring constantly so everything blends smoothly. Once combined, add the rice and let it simmer on low to medium heat for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Make sure to put the lid on and don't peek for that 20 minutes. Rice is cooked, then we're going to add our yummy roasted chicken. This adds so much flavor. I would highly recommend my recipe, and I'll go ahead and post that in the card of this video. Once everything is done, portion the soup into containers for easy meal prep. This recipe makes 8 servings, perfect for a week of cozy, nourishing meals. And here's how it looks in the bowl. So delicious.